Kuki militants yet again carried out guns and bombs attack at Sugnu and Tangjeng today, injuring 2 village volunteers in the incident. The incident occurred at around 10 a.m. today when armed Kukis started firing from Leishang and Lailoifai area in Churachandpur district, which is located adjacent to Napak and Tangjeng Ahalup under Kumbi constituency. In response to the firing by armed Kukis, village volunteers in Sugnu and Tangjeng retaliated, and this led to exchange of fire for about 30 minutes. 2 village volunteers sustained injuries and they were taken to Jivan Hospital in Kaching. However, one of the injured persons had to be shifted to Imphal, considering the serious nature of the injury. A team of Kaching police has been rushed to the site to prevent further escalation of violence. On the other hand, Kuki militants also reportedly fired about 10 rounds of bullets from Guantabi areas towards Pombikhok and Chodon Pokpi under Kumbi police station. However, there were no reports of any injuries in the incident, which took place at around 11:30 this morning.